Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make chamomile ginger pepper tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame on medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add half teaspoon of dry chamomile flower. Let this boil for 2 minutes on medium flame. Chamomile has a lot of health benefits such as it treats diabetics, lowers blood sugar levels, reduces inflammation, helps in weight loss, prevents cancer, helps with sleep and relaxation, treats cold symptoms and also treats skin conditions. After 2 minutes the water is nicely boiling. To this add 1 piece of crushed ginger. Let this again boil for 2 minutes. Ginger is again a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. Then to this add 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorn. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. Pepper promotes healthy heart, treats migraines, improves metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this chamomile ginger pepper tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger, pepper and the chamomile has come together very well. Now off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the chamomile ginger pepper tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this chamomile ginger pepper tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.